Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tutogenix my channel. In today's video, we're going to learn how to implement breadth first search or BFS in Python using a simple tree structure. I'll walk you through the code, step by step, so even if you're a beginner, you'll understand everything clearly. Let's get started. And that's it. You've now seen how breadth first search works in Python, and how to implement it using a queue and a visited list. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more programming tutorials. See you in the next one.